Time when the conflict was on, we have learned a very great lesson for one particular community, that is the Thadao people from Mudbun. When the conflict was going on, where the Nagas and Kuki cannot go together, the Thadao people in Mudbun, they came forward to Naga areas and meet us. We prayed together, we sing together, we praise together, and we embrace and we forgive and forget. Later on, that was the beginning, initiated by the Thadao people from Mudbun, and Naga people started feeling comfortable, feeling close to them, and that was the initiative taken up by the Thadao people. Like
please. Location track kita saja. Kamu boleh. Oh jangan. Hah? Mana ini?